Hey guys, welcome to our channel for a fresh update. Recently Sony announced that the variable refresh rate or VRR for short update is now available for select Sony TVs from 2021, including the Bravia XR, X90J and A80J models. For Sony new 2022 televisions, VRR is supported on a wide range of models including the Bravia XR, X90K and the compact OLED A90K. VRR helps to ensure the smoothest gaming experience out of your compatible Sony TV. VRR mode is an optional setting for gamers that when turned on can optimize your TV for improved responsiveness and lower latency when gaming with the compatible console or PC. The steps to enable VRR in your TV are simple. Let's take a quick look on how to set it up. Here's a couple of things you may need to know. Before we get started, your TV may not look exactly like the TV I am showing you today. They might run a different software or operating system and therefore settings and options may be in a different place. To help you navigate your TV, I recommend keeping your user manual handy to make this process go smoothly. The first thing you should do is update your TV. Once completed, follow these steps. Go into settings, select the option that says channels and inputs followed by external inputs. Go into the HDMI signal format and choose the specific HDMI that you want to have as VRR. Go down to the bottom and select Enhanced Format VRR. Doing so will put this input into game mode. This is recommended for the best overall gaming experience. One thing to keep in mind when running VRR mode, your picture mode will be fixed to the game picture mode. If you desire to change your picture mode in your TV, you can come back to the settings and select normal, enhanced mode or Adobe Vision mode. Doing this will disable VRR. You should now be all set on the Sony TV side of things, but you may need to change your gaming system too and then you are good to go. Now you can experience the benefits on your compatible Sony TV. VRR mode will optimize your TV for improved responsiveness and lower latency, which is ideal for gaming. This isn't necessarily the best viewing experience for your movie or TV content. However, so for a better viewing experience, I would recommend Enhanced Format Dolby Vision. In case of any query or question, you can ask in comment section. I will surely reply them. Keep watching our channel and hit a thumbs up. If you enjoy the video, kindly like it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.